Hi there, you're right, I am a Minecraft YouTuber. However, I decided I'd do a Roblox video because this is actually a funny game. Enjoy the video. Just get across this one. Alright, just walking through. How did that get up there? What is happening? Like, what did they do to you? Have you ever wanted to experience getting hit by a car but in the safety of your own home? Well, look no further. Ow. What's that? It's a clown.
Foot punch.
Oh yeah. Geometry Dash, but on a road. Oh my! I'm locked in. I'm so good at this. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. I don't know why I really thought there would be something back here. You know what? I feel like I could walk on the wrong side of the road today. Oh my god! That seems like a good time to cross. Hey, come. Alright, just respawn and you know what, since the road isn't safe, I'm gonna go this way, on the sidewalk, where it's totally fine. You know, actually the sidewalk's boring. I'm gonna go this way. Look. Was that a